Okay, so now we have a body. The next thing I did, once I got the outline, was to make a mesh within the body and select it with the selection tool, and then filled it with a solid colour from the skin tones palette. Next, take the direct selection tool and click on, holding the shift key down, these anchors just around here. And then taking just an ordinary white from the palette, just making that light area down there so that you've then got the effect of the light coming through the doorway. Right. Now the next thing is just put a lock on that body. The next thing is the lines, just to make it, just to depict the body parts. So if I unlock that linked file and take the linked file right up the top there, so it's over the top of everything else, lock it again, and we'll magnify this bit up, and taking the pen tool, same principle again, just click up there, and there, that, take away the fill. Actually I'll change these colours here so that I've got just a black path, and click off, click back on the anchor, click around there, click off, and if I can find it, back on the anchor there, go down there, and back on, and down to there. Okay, so then reduce that back to normal size, take the linked file, right back down to the bottom again, and there you can see you start to get more realistic. So what I'm going to do is just dump that one I've just done, dump that in the bin, and then I'll highlight the ones that I've already done. So that's the one there, and then the back line there, and the leg line for the fingers, and then the foot line down there. The next thing is the shadows. So again we come up to the top with the linked file, and I think we'll start on the with the leg shadow here. Back into the pen tool, and then again same principle, and there. Now I'm not going to take a great deal of care in getting the shape exactly, because I'm going to, well, I'll show you. Show you when I've finished why. So we've got the path closed there. So what I want to do is put a black fill in there, and then go into Effects, Stylize and Feather. Preview that, and I think what I want to do is go right up to 16 points. Should be about it. OK that. Take that away, and then bring this linked file right back down to the bottom again, and there we have the leg shadow. Take that down to normal size. So again, I'll dump that path, and I'll put the shadows in I've already done. So there we have the all-important bum shadow, shoulder shadow. Got some shadows around there, show the ribs. And we've got the hand shadow, the leg shadow, and that's about it. Then I decided that I don't really think there's that. Once the tattoo is on, I don't think there's going to be enough light there. So instead of going back into the mesh and doing the light the same as I did that, I actually did the light, the extra light I needed, the same way as I've done the shadows. I'll show you here. There's a leg light there, back light there, the bum light. That's about it for the light. So we have some extra light coming down there. I also I can just click on that one, change the opacity to 44 so that you've got a little bit of the body colour showing through, so it fades the light a bit. And then of course the hair shape and colour, and then with my paintbrush put the hair detail in, and as you can see there, all individual strands of hair. So we have something resembling a person, and next is the all-important tattoo.